Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place on YouTube for martial artists to improve their training. Today I'm going to be showing you 5 different drills that you can do to get higher kicks in martial arts. I have a crazy dog running around, so if you're training at home and you have pets or kids or something else distracting you, don't worry, this is normal. I think. These drills are part of my online course that I have, which is for higher kicks and better leg control. If you guys enjoy the drills, make sure that you check out the link in the description below for access to the course. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with training with the 5 drills to help you get higher kicks. Alright, for the first drill, you're just gonna need either a wall or a chair or something to hold on to. I don't want you to worry about balance for the first few drills. I just want you to working on building up the strength and using your flexibility to hold your kicks to get them up higher. So here's the first drill. For this one, what you're gonna do, you're gonna hold on for balance. You're gonna do a roundhouse kick or a side kick about your knee level like this. You're gonna hold it here for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now from here, you're gonna raise it up as high as you can go, and you're gonna kick it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here, you're gonna drop it down and kick again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Raise it back up as high as you can go. Hold it. Oh, kick it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job. I would suggest doing anywhere from like 5 to 20 of those, just depending on your level. Make sure that you don't go crazy and overexert yourself, because we want to avoid injuries, but we do want to push to a place so that we can get higher kicks. Okay, for the next drill, we're going to do infinity figures. So for this one, basically you're going to draw like a sideways figure 8, just 2 loops around like this with your foot. Okay, when you do that, you want to make sure that you're maintaining the proper alignment, so you don't want to stick your butt out while you're kicking like this. You want to keep your body straight, and you want to just make sure your legs stay straight. So just imagine that you have a pencil between your toes and you're drawing that figure just like this. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, go ahead and hold on to your wall, your chair, your couch, and all you're going to do is kick it out, and you're going to make that figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Nice job. You can do that with both sides. You can hold it in a roundhouse kick. You can pull it back to hold it in a side kick. You can do them backwards, forwards, whatever you want. You're just building up that strength to be able to keep your kick up high, so that you don't just have the flexibility, but the strength for a higher and stronger kick. We're going to be doing 3 different types of kicks. So you're going to go ahead and hold on again, because I don't want you to worry about balance. You're going to bring your knee up, and we're going to do a front snap kick straight out in front of us like this. Okay? From here, you're going to keep your knee up. We're going to do a side kick off to the side now. Ready? From here, we're going to go back to the front with a roundhouse kick. Just like that. Keeping your leg up that whole entire time. Okay? One more time. Ready? Front snap kick, side kick, and roundhouse kick. That is 1. I would suggest doing between like 5 to 10 depending on your level. If you're really feeling up for it, you can go ahead and let go of whatever you're holding on to and just do it in the air, focusing on that balance. And if you're really feeling up for another challenge, you can go ahead and do the same drill, just slow motion through every single part of the kick. Slow side kick, come back in slowly, and slow roundhouse kick. Nice job, guys. Okay, for drill number 4, we're going to do some squat side kicks. So bring your legs out, hands up in a fighting stance. You're going to squat down. When you come up, you're going to do a side kick over to one side. Okay? Squat back down. 2. Squat back down. 3. Squat back down. 4. You can do this all the way to 10. Try and get a nice sharp kick every single time. floor. You're gonna go down on your hands and knees like this. I don't know why I picked the loudest toy for her. You're gonna bring your leg up and you're just gonna do a side kick off to the side like this. Hold it out 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring it back in one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now if you're feeling up for an extra challenge, before you bring it back, do 10 up and down pulses. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back in. You're gonna wanna do about like 10 of those if you can make it up that far. Both legs, both sides, go ahead and adjust if your level is either you wanna do higher or you wanna do lower amounts. It's really up to you on where you're at. Alright guys, I really hope that you enjoyed all of these drills and that they're helpful to you. Be sure to add them in whatever training you're doing, but make sure that you're doing a warm up first. Get a good stretch before and after your workout. If you did like the drills and you want to see more, be sure to check out my online course for higher kicks and better leg control. The link is in the description below, so make sure you check that out. I hope you guys have an awesome week training, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye guys.